So guys, ang saya-saya ako kasi may mga Pinoy dito ako kasama sa train. Ayan, so pakilala tayo, bro.
Ako si Joshua. Taga sa United States kami. Tsaka na yun, magpapasya kami dito sa Switzerland.
Okay.
Sobrang ganda nito.
So, kumusta naman ang unang kita mo sa Switzerland?
As of right now, sobrang ganda pa. Pero hindi po ka pa nakikita lahat.
I have my own YouTube channel.
Okay. So, tingin mo mas maganda sa US?
Oh yeah.
Ha?
Siyempre.
Saan kayo sa US?
Sa mga Colorado.
Colorado. Okay. So, doon kayo pinanganak?
Ha?
Doon kayo pinanganak?
Hindi, sa Minnesota.
Oh, okay. So, talagang tate. Okay. Pagkain dito, kumusta?
Ay, sobrang sarap. Mas masarap kaysa sa US. Times 10.
Times 10. Yung mga sasakyan dito, train.
Ay, ang ganda. Tsaka easy lang.
Mas madali dito.
Oh, mas madali.
Walang train sa US, di ba?
Meron. Pero hindi naman kami nag-train gano'n.
Kasi may sasakyan. Pero ang train doon, tingin ko mas mahal daw kasi bibihira lang.
Yeah.
So sa Pilipinas, saan kayo?
Yung nanay ko taga sa Baguio. Tsaka yung tatay ko taga sa Pampanga.
Pwede mag-English.
Yeah, ito yung bagets na to. Okay.
You
So,
recognize me?
yeah. Tell the world, what's your name?
My channel's name is Jenga.
Yeah, you were from? You from?
Colorado.
Colorado. So this is your first time here in Switzerland. So, but you enjoy here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what food do you like here?
Pasta.
Pasta. Oh, pasta. You like pasta? Yeah. And what more?
That's all.
So balik tayo kay Kuya. Kuya, so ilang araw kayo dito?
3 araw.
3 araw lang. So the other day, saan kayo galing?
Paris.
Okay, so maganda ba?
Oh yeah, ganda ng Paris. Kapunta ka?
Oh, ilang beses na. Malapit lang dito, 3 hours away. Pumunta kayo by train or by plane?
By train.
Okay, 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours.
If you're done with the video, can I show you your channel?
Sure.
My channel.
I will subscribe your channel as well.
I
So,
only have 10 subscribers.
I will be the 11th. I will subscribe. So, Paris, how many days?
Paris for 3 days.
3 days.
London for 2 days.
1 day for 2 days. 1 night and 2 days. You went there during the night or what?
London?
No. In Paris, in Eiffel Tower.
We didn't get to go up because maybe we'll go up.
No, we didn't get to go up, pero we went there at night, and it was really
It's beautiful, right?
And
With the
then we got to
lights.
see it flash.
Yeah. The light is beautiful.
I
But
have video on my camera, but my camera is dead.
you upload it to your YouTube.
I have some like cards opening stuff in my YouTube channel, but
Hindi na siya marunong mag-Tagalog.
yeah, I know, but I just don't wanna do it.
Mag-Tagalog ka na lang, Kaysa. Bakit? Dapat masaya ka na, Pinoy ka.
pero marunong ka mag-Tagalog. Yeah,
I
nice.
just don't want them to know I'm Pinoy.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just don't want them because I normally do English in my YouTube channels.
Okay.
Kasi nag-i-English siya sa YouTube channel niya.
Okay, it's good. Pinanganak siya doon.
No.
So, US din.
Kaya nga, doon sa US kayo pinanganak parehas. A nice one. So, ilang taon na kayo doon? Since then? Ilang taon na kayo sa US? Or
Ako, buong
buhay
life
mo?
ko.
Okay.
Same thing with him.
Yeah,
Buong
Paris. So, dalawa lang kayong anak. Puro lalaki.
You wanna see this one?
Yeah, nice
This
one.
one's perfect.
What's that?
Perfect slices.
So, you love...
What?
So, after Switzerland, where you go?
I think Florence.
Florence, Italy. Yeah, maganda.
So Rome.
Sa Rome din. So, maganda doon yung yung Pisa Tower.
Oh yeah, Leaning Tower.
The Leaning Tower. Tadyakan mo yung tower doon sa Florence. It's beautiful. Then after Florence and
Rome.
Rome. Ah, okay. Vatican.
Yeah.
Papasok kayo. Maganda Rome. Super ganda.
I'm excited to go to Rome
I've been there. Excited. Why you're excited to go?
because
Rome.
I want to try the food there. I want to try the Burger King there.
Burger.
You will see the Pope. You want to see the Pope in
What are the
Rome?
Pope?
Vatican, Rome.
I don't know what are those.
Hindi niyo alam ang Rome. But makikita niyo siya
Okay.
kung meron siyang speech. Nakapunta ako doon bago pa lang ako rito 2019. Nagpunta na ako ron.
So you have to like do this, but that's for like practicing.
Okay, say mayroon kang gustong batiin sa Pinas.
Huh?
Batiin. Greet your friends in the Philippines. If you still remember. Your
Mga tao.
pinsan mo ron.
Ay, sa-
In English if you want. Mm.
Si Sian, si Tita Kat, si Tita Aisa,
Mhm.
Sino pa? Nanay tayo.
Nanay, si Tatay,
Nanay, tatay is your lola at lolo.
Oh yeah, yun yung tawag namin sa...
Okay.
si Sian,
Sino si Sian?
yung pinsan ko.
Sino si camera?
Camera. So binabati ko mga pinsan ko, sabihin mo.
Binabati ko, yung pinsan ko.
Sige. Sino-sino?
Sino ano?
Obvious, hindi na nga siya magtagalog.
May dalawa ko na pinsan.
Si Damo lang, nilang daw wala.
Anong pangalan?
Oo.
Anong pangalan nila?
Si Sian, tsaka yung isa, hindi ko alam ano sabihin yung name.
Okay. Pupunta ba kayo sa ano ngayon? Sa the crash landing on you?
Hindi ko alam, tanong sila. Ng mami ko, siya yung may plano.
Okay. So baka hindi siya fan noon. Korean.
Baka.
Ano yun? Ano yan dito? Famous dito yan. Crash landing. Interlaken siguro punta kayo sa ano?
Nakita ko yung Harry Potter na
Saan?
King Cross
Saan?
sa London.
Sa London. Okay, sige. Ikaw bro, meron kang babatiin sa Pilipinas?
Hello tita Isa, hello tita Kat.
Ah.
Hello nanay, tatay. Sana mabuti kayo lahat dyan.
Okay. Ikaw, meron pa?
Let me say something. The
English.
you guys who are watching me, I think you would recognize me.
What is that?
Mami ko kung sinasabi nito.
Me viewers kasi
Okay, sabihin mo meron kang channel, dali.
I have my own channel. It's named Jenga.
Jenga. How do you spell?
J E I don't I forgot ko na.
Jenga.
Jenga.
Jenga? Jenga. Okay.
Papakita ko sa iyo.
See. Okay. Si babay ka na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
I'm Jenga. See you
Yeah.
next time. Bye.
Okay. Ikaw, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I can subscribe on my channel and also in his channel.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.